All right, court is calling 2021 CR 2127, State of Texas versus Hannah Marie Smith. Do I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Brian Brewer for the state of Texas.
For the defense?
Monica Guerrero for Ms. Smith.
All right, defense has filed a motion asking that the defendant's bond be reinstated. The court had no idea that Ms. Smith had been driving for who knows how long. And Ms. Smith drove to court, but she was in a vehicle on Zoom, and then she drove to court. So that's where we are. So, Ms. Pereira?
And on that day that she came to court, apparently her retained attorney withdrew, and then I was appointed to represent her.
Yes.
So I haven't had this case very long. However, the court remanded her without bond on that day, and she's been in custody since. Her family is extremely supportive. They sold her vehicle so she wouldn't have a car anymore. Her employers contacted me, her boyfriend's contacted me, civic leaders have contacted me, her mother has contacted me. They all want her to get back out so that she can go back to work and show the court what she's done. She's been in 12-step programs. She has not had any positive UAs. She tells me that, she's been doing everything that the court has asked her to do, and that she was unaware that Ms. Corley had filed an affidavit of non-driving. She had been blowing into an in-home device, and she would like very much to be placed with a bond so that her family can make her bond. That if she has a vehicle, that she will put ignition interlock in there. But as of right now, her mother has told me they have sold the vehicle and they no longer have anything for her to do.
Well, even though Ms. Corley did an affidavit of non-driving, people in this court who are on DWI, I always let them know and have them present when someone is doing an affidavit of non-driving, because I tell everyone that they need ignition interlock, and they say, oh, they're not driving. And I say, well, they need to provide an affidavit of non-driving. My concern is she filed an affidavit of non-driving. Obviously, her signature is on it because it's an affidavit of non-driving, and yet she drove to court and she didn't have ignition interlock.
Judge, if I may, obviously, Judge, I was going to bring up my recollection of that day was the same as yours. I did want you to take judicial notice because I know you were on the Zoom that day. If there is an affidavit of non-driving on file, I presume that she signed it and that, she was aware that she wasn't supposed to be driving. Regarding the indictment in this case, it's a very serious charge, among the most serious charges you can get involving a vehicle. And that's why we believe it's important, Judge, to not take it lightly, the fact that she said she wasn't driving and then